Not only are you hearing music right now, you're seeing the band that we're about to feature here in Portland today. This is Pretty Drunk, probably the most interesting of band names we've had during the course of the Portland Today program. They are getting ready for a big performance next Tuesday at the White Eagle Saloon in North Portland. But let's meet these members of the band who are live with us in studio on this Friday. The front man right in front of me, Ezekiel. So let's start with the band name, Pretty Drunk. And I thought maybe that describes all the members of the band. You said no, it's actually a description for the individuals in the band.
The whole band is pretty, I'm drunk.
The name of the band is what?
Pretty Drunk.
Okay.
The whole band is pretty, I'm the drunk one.
Got it. You
Not
all
this
are
morning,
pretty. This guy's drunk. Pretty? Drunk.
Yes, sir.
The relationships here in the band, how long have you guys known each other? Is this a recently put together band? Have you been performing together for a while?
Well, I've had Pretty Drunk it's had a couple of different incarnations from Kansas to Oregon. Sean here, our bass player, he and I have been friends since we were younger in Kansas. Tyler here, we met up in Eugene. It's kind of brought us all together. He's our Oregon local, so I met him just
Something
through my
about
travels.
him tells me he is from Portland. I don't know what it is, but
And Karen here, she's from Boise.
Okay.
And we all just kind of came together naturally. Me just playing banjos on front porches, and people were like, "Yeah, can we play with you?" And so we formed a band.
we're about to hear you guys in action again. Most important piece of information would be your next performance here locally. That's next Tuesday, White Eagle Saloon. It says 12 to 8. You're not playing for 8 hours there.
Nope. 7, I believe, is the doors, and we'll start about 8.
Oh, Tuesday, December 12th at 8 p.m. Sorry, I don't know how to read. There it is. Now it makes sense that it's on the screen. Sorry about that.
You're acting pretty drunk.
Oh, thank you. Kathy said I'm acting pretty drunk.
I hear we're intoxicating.
There you go. Can you intoxicate us further, Ezekiel, with your bandmates? What are you going to play for us here this morning?
We're going to do a song called All In, and all of our songs that we play are originals.
Okay. Give it to us. All in, ladies and gentlemen. From the band, Pretty Drunk.
Well, the world's a force of struggle, I'm just stumbling through. The tide gives me a tumble till I'm humble and blue. Well, is it in my nature to fight like I do? Well, sooner or later, well, I'm certain to lose. But I'm in the notion that we're going all in. You can't fight the ocean, or at least you can't win. It's a sea of sorrow in a world of sin. And if there's no tomorrow, say la vie, my friend. Like this hill's an impossible climb. Well, am I standing still in a wrinkle in time? It gives me quite a chill and it rattles my spine. I'm told it's my soul, but it don't feel like mine. But I'm getting the notion that we're going all in. You can't fight the ocean, or at least you can't win. It's a sea of sorrow in a world of sin. And if there's no tomorrow, say la vie, my friend.